Master Teacher at Vedantu. So very warm welcome on Maths Pirates. So we are coming up with yet another story behind mathematics. I know you guys are really excited because you have already read the title of this video, right? So I know you have already learned about Pythagoras theorem, but we are going to discuss very few amazing facts and story behind this. Alright, I know you guys are really excited for this. So let's start booming this particular chapter. So झूम बराबर झूम, मैथ्स की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स बूम. आज कैप्टन आपकी एक और प्रॉब्लम बूम करने वाली है. एक्चुअली एक नहीं, बहुत सारी. What are the problems? Doubts, notes, test and assignment, competitive exams, preparation, choice of schedule, choice of language. These are your problems and Vedantu have solved them all together. This is a one-stop solution. So Vedantu is going to give you Pro Subscription Light Plan. So what is that Pro Subscription Light Plan? In that subscription, you are going to get a long-term batch for English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. Okay? So you are going to get a long-term batch which is being taught by India's best master teacher, or you can say your favorite teacher. Okay? So you are going to get these bonus too in that subscription. Unlimited live classes, all micro and crash courses free for the Pro subscriber. Performance report will be provided to you and personalized attention will be given to you. So what are you waiting for? Visit this link vdnt.in/ydpro and click on your grade, select your targeted exam, get subscription, and we have 3 months plan, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Enter your coupon code and definitely you are going to get 1 month plan just for 2294. What is the coupon code for getting this at 2294? That is ATPRO. इस कोड को यूज कर लेना and you will definitely going to get the discount. Okay, we have 3 months plan. In the basically 3 months plan is for 10,000, but right now you are going to get it for 5949 rupees if you are going to use the coupon code ATPRO. ठीक है? Then we have 6 months plan. Choose on that because in that you are going to get maximum of discount. Maximum discount you are going to get in this. And सबसे ज़्यादा टेंशन तो होनी ही नहीं चाहिए उसके बाद because everything is going to be done by Vedantu. ठीक है? So use this coupon code ATPRO to get this for 8,499. Alright. So today we are going to discuss Pythagoras and the Pythagorean theorem. Alright. So let's start learning about this particular theory and this man Pythagoras. ठीक है? Are you ready to see what was the story behind this theorem? Right? So let's see. He was the basically Pythagorean. He was a philosopher, mathematician, and many things he have discovered. So basically, what was the story behind this? Let us see. So basically, he was between 570 to 490 BC. And he was born in Samos, Greece, which is in Greece definitely. His father was a merchant and mother was a housewife. So basically you can see this map. The point, this is the Samon place, which is an island. Samos, alright. Then in order to do his schooling, his father sent him to Croton, a place in Southeast Asia. Basically the Samos, the Croton place is in Southeast Asia, which was ruled by at that point Greek colony. So Greek colony was ruling that particular Croton place. So he was doing his schooling in that place. Then after completing his education, he was very intelligent and he was very informative person. So many ladies and many men used to get around him in order to learn some or the other place. So Pythagoras used to make people aware about mathematics at public places in Croton. Huge mass would gather around him, especially ladies, to come and hear him, which was prohibited in those times. But ladies were fan of him, right? Okay. So with this friend known as Milo, his friend name was Milo. I know that's a weird name, but his name was Milo. They established a school at Croton only. The school specialized in teaching of philosophy, music and mathematics. तो philosophy, music और mathematics में उस स्कूल में teaching होती थी उस टाइम पर, ठीक है? और उस स्कूल में basically Pythagoras ने एक रूल बनाया था और you can say there was a culture क्या था कल्चर? दैट कोई भी इन्वेंशन, कोई भी डिस्कवरी होगी उस स्कूल में, कोई स्टूडेंट करेगा या तो कोई टीचर करेगा. सो whosoever does a new invention or new discovery, the name would be after Pythagoras as a tribute. तो आपको पता है कितनी सारी थ्योरीज हैं, कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं पाइथागोरस के नाम पे, but we don't know who exactly have developed that because of that culture. So many mathematical invention and advancement took place in that school of Pythagoras. Out of these, Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle became the most famous theorem over the time. Alright, so in order to learn and see what is Pythagoras theorem, I am going to disappear for the very few time. Okay, so we can see this is a triangle because this is three-sided polygon. Three-sided polygon, a plane figure, is known as a triangle. In this triangle, what are the basic and special thing? You can see there is a hypotenuse. The longest side in the hypotenuse is known as hypotenuse. The longest side of a triangle, right angle triangle, is known as hypotenuse. Okay, so this green color side is known as hypotenuse. Also, we have two other sides, two other legs of this particular triangle. This one is known as base, and the other one is known as, other leg is known as height. And in a right angle triangle, what does that mean? That means this angle should be 90 degrees and other two triangles should be other things, okay? It can be 45 and this also be 45, right? So in right angle triangle, basically you should have a right angle, hypotenuse, height and a base. Okay, done? What is basically Pythagorean theorem? Okay, so according to the Pythagorean theorem, in right angle triangle, you are going to have a hypotenuse, right? Which is the longest side. So when you square the hypotenuse square, that should be equal to height square plus base square. Can you see this is height? This one is height. This one is height, right? This one. So height is known as right now A. We have named it as A. Base is B and hypotenuse is H. So H square is equal to A square plus B square. This is the theorem. So basically Pythagorean theorem says that when you square the hypotenuse, that should be equal to the sum of height and the base square. Alright, clear? Now we are going to prove this theorem. How we are going to prove it? I am going to explain you. So basically what you are going to do is simply make the right angle triangle. Name the sides hypotenuse H, height A and base B. Alright, done? Now according to that you are going to form a squares of similar length. Square with this height, that is A, and the area for this square would be A square because area of a square is S into S, side into side. So this is A, this is A, this is A, this is also A, then area would be A square. According to that, hypotenuse height, the hypotenuse length, this square also formed here, this grey one. So area would be H square because side is H, this side is also H, this side is also H. So area ho gaya H square, and in this blue square you are going to get area B square. Done? Okay, now according to our theorem, we are going to have the area of red one, the area of red square and blue square. When you sum these two, that should be equal to the grey one. Correct? Because this should be equal to the sum of these two. We are going to prove that. Okay. Now observe the GIF on your screen, everybody. We are going to see that the area of this huge particular square should be equal to the area of these two. Right? So we are going to cut the parts of this particular square and try to place them in these two. We completely see that the parts of this particular square is fitting in this and this squares, right? So hence proved, right? We are going to prove this with the help of one more GIF. Can you see here? what we are going to do is cut the triangles of the length A, B and C. So that would be a scalene triangle, right? Now we are going to place them according to this. So we have placed like this. These triangles are placed here like this. We can see we are forming this white area, a square. We can say that area of this square would be C, because sides according to that are C. So area would be C square. Now we are going to place them and rearrange the triangles in these ways. We have rearranged the triangles, green triangles, these ways. So what happened? You can see there are two squares forming here. We are going to see right now you are going to have, after rearranging, two simple squares, this one and this one. So this whole square the area of this whole square should be equal to this one and this one. Alright, I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal in area to the sum of squares on the other two sides, right? So can you see this girl is spinning this wheel, and we can say the volume is definitely equal of this one. So this is the hulk one, right? So this hulk one is equal to sum of these two, right? So hence proof, I hope you have enjoyed this particular session and have learnt about great mathematician, and you can say a smarter one, Pythagoras, right? So I hope you have loved this session, and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and be a pirate. So before you go from here, we are going to just remind you guys, if you want to solve all of these problems and want bonus also, you are going to take Vedantu Pro subscription light plan. So visit this link vdnt.in/ytpro. Choose your grade as you are in class 8th. Choose that. Select your targeted exam CBSE 2021. Get subscription and choose your whatever month plan you want. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Just enter the coupon code, that is 80pro, and you will definitely get the discount, instant discount. So now this is homework time. I want you guys to boom this particular question. In this, you have the length of hypotenuse, that is 15, base is 9, and you need to find the height, that is x. So what are the options? Just give me the answer in the comment section. Let me see how many pirates boom this question. Boom it guys, and do let me know the answer in the comment section. Alright guys, so hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. So don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never ever miss the updates. Alright, bye bye guys, we'll see you in the next session. Bye.